Welcome to the Tech Egg. Don't get scrambled. Enjoy the video.
In this video, I will explain how to change the oil in an Audi A4 B8 2.0 TDI. First, gather all your necessary tools and supplies. You will need a new oil filter, fresh engine oil, a new drain plug washer, and a drain pan. Always ensure your car is parked on a level surface and the engine has cooled down for about 15 minutes before you begin. This preparation is key for a smooth process. Now let's drain the old oil. Carefully locate the oil drain plug, usually at the bottom of the oil pan. Position your drain pan directly underneath it. Using the correct wrench, loosen and remove the plug, allowing all the old, dirty oil to flow out completely. This usually takes about 10 to 15 minutes. Remember to replace the drain plug washer with a new one for a proper seal. Next, we will replace the oil filter. The oil filter housing is often found on top of the engine. Use your oil filter removal tool to carefully unscrew the cap. Remove the old filter element and thoroughly clean the housing. Before installing the new filter, lightly lubricate its O-rings with a small amount of fresh engine oil. This ensures a good seal and easy installation. Finally, it's time to add the new engine oil. Refer to your vehicle's manual for the exact oil type and capacity, typically around 4.3 to 4.6 liters for this model. Pour the fresh oil into the filler cap opening. Once filled, start the engine and let it run for a few minutes to circulate the new oil. Then, turn it off, wait 5 minutes and check the oil level with the dipstick, ensuring no leaks.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if I helped unscramble your problems.